Why is a straight angle always 180 degrees? Imagine stretching a piece of string straight across a table. When the string is perfectly flat and extends in opposite directions, it forms a straight line. That's what we see with a straight angle. Now, you might wonder why this angle is always exactly 180 degrees. Well, let's explore that together. An angle is created when two rays or line segments meet at a common point called the vertex. The size of the angle tells us how much one ray has to turn to align with the other. When these rays point directly away from each other in opposite directions, they form what we call a straight line. Think of it like flipping a coin from one side to the other in a straight path. A full turn around a point is 360 degrees. If you think about splitting that full circle into two equal parts, each part is exactly half of 360 degrees. Half of 360 degrees is 180 degrees. So, when two rays point in opposite directions, they cover half of a circle, which is 180 degrees. That's why a straight angle always measures 180 degrees. You can also picture it as two right angles, each measuring 90 degrees placed together. When you add 90 degrees plus 90 degrees, you get 180 degrees. It's like stacking two quarter turns to make a half turn. This is why a straight angle looks like a flat, straight line with no bend or curve. In real life, examples include the flat surface of a table, the edge of a ruler, or the position of a seesaw when it is perfectly horizontal. These are all situations where the angle between two parts is exactly 180 degrees. Understanding why a straight angle is always 180 degrees helps us measure and compare other angles more easily. It also helps us understand how shapes and lines work together in geometry. When two angles add up to 180 degrees, they are called supplementary angles, and they often form straight lines or flat surfaces. So, to sum it up, a straight angle is always 180 degrees because it represents half of a full circle, created when two rays point directly opposite each other along a straight line. This simple idea is fundamental in understanding how angles work and how shapes are built in geometry.